I'm Kristy CPA at Whaley Hammons Tomasello, and we are big supporters of Snowball. We use Snowball to redesign our website for our CPA firm. We vetted out a lot of other different companies before we decided to go with Snowball. We went with Snowball because they were the ones that were able to give us a plan, including a timeline and a budget that met our expectations. And along the way, they were able to update us with prototypes of how the website was going and ultimately how it turned out. We wanted a website redesign that would better reflect the services we offer. We felt that our website was a bit outdated. Snowball was able to come in and redesign our website. The website became much more user-friendly for our clients. They were able to easily access their portal and utilize other interactive communication windows so that they could correspond with us here at the firm directly. Once our website was launched, we experienced a high volume of traffic, and we were able to track the analytics online, and we saw a high correlation between the visits to our page and the phone calls hitting our front desk. Snowball did such an amazing job on our website that we actually won an award for it. We got the Members' Choice Website Redesign of the Year from the Association of Accounting Marketers. I would hands down recommend Snowball to anyone looking to launch a new website, redesign, or incorporate some new things into a website that you already have running. They are very responsive, very efficient, and budget oriented.